Hey everyone, quick, clear, and safe fixes for everyday email problems. If you've ever sent an email and cringed at the name that showed up, this one's for you. Let's jump in. Start by opening your web browser and going to Outlook.com. Sign in with your Hotmail address and password. Double check you typed everything correctly so you don't hit login troubles later. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the little menu, choose a link that takes you to your Microsoft account page. It opens in a new tab. That page is where Microsoft stores the display name used across Outlook, Teams, and other services. On the Microsoft account page, find the menu item called Your Info. Under that section, look for an Edit Name or similar button. Click it and you'll get fields for your first and last name. Delete the old name and type in the new display name you want people to see. Before you save, carefully proofread. Spelling and spacing matter because that's what recipients will see. When you're happy, click Save. You'll usually see a confirmation message. A couple of quick pro tips: if the new name doesn't show up right away, sign out and back into Outlook or refresh your inbox. Changes can take a few minutes to sync across Microsoft services. If you don't see the Edit Name option, clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or go to account.microsoft.com and repeat the steps. And that's it. A fast, foolproof way to change your display name in Hotmail/Outlook. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more simple email fixes, and drop your question in the comments. I'll reply. Thanks for watching.